Goa witnessed a vigorous activity of monsoon on 21st of September. MD had already forecasted on 18th of September itself that monsoon activity over Goa is going to be very high from 19th to 22nd of September. Yesterday, almost all stations over Goa reported either heavy or very heavy rainfall. Highest rainfall was reported from Marmugao, which reported 20 centimeters of rainfall. Then there were two stations, Panji and Dabulim, which reported 17 centimeters. Ername reported 30. Ponda, Madgaon, Mapsa and Old Goa reported 12 centimeters each. Other remaining stations such as Sankli, Valpoi, Kankon, Kapem and Sangem, all of them reported 11 centimeters each. So this increased activity was primarily due to a low pressure area that was over coastal Odisha. Now that system has moved westward and now it lies over North Chhattisgarh. The second system which enhanced the rainfall activity was a shear zone that has weakened now and it is not there to influence the rainfall. So we are expecting the rainfall activity to be lesser on 22nd as it was forecasted earlier. We are not expecting any extremely heavy rainfalls on 22nd over Goa. There is probability of very heavy rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters at one or two locations over Goa, North and South Goa districts, and there could be heavy rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 6 centimeters at 3 or 4 locations over Goa on 22nd of September. From 23rd onwards, there will be further reduction in rainfall, and the yellow colored warning, that is the warning for heavy rainfall, remains on 23rd and 24th as well, even though we are expecting further reduction day by day after 22nd. Regarding the fishermen warning, there are fishermen warning on 22nd and 23rd along North Maharashtra coast, South Maharashtra coast and along Goa coast. On 22nd, fishermen are advised not to venture along Kerala, Karnataka and Lakshadweep coast, and up on 22nd and 23rd they should not venture along Maharashtra and Goa coasts. Regarding the total rainfall, cumulative rainfall, state average rainfall for this monsoon season, it now stands at 403, that is 403 centimeters, which is approximately 39% higher than the normal value for this period. Is the highest ever recorded, highest available recorded value of southwest monsoon seasonal total for Goa is 408 centimeters. Now the present value stands at 403 centimeters with almost a week to finish this particular monsoon season.